Discover the best strategies for using ChatGPT to generate income online, even if you're a beginner. In this comprehensive guide, we'll share proven methods and tips to help you start earning money with this powerful tool. Welcome to this tutorial on how to register and use ChatGPT for the first time, as well as discover non-technical ways to make money online using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an amazing conversational AI model created by OpenAI, based on the powerful GPT-3 architecture. It has the ability to generate human-like text responses to prompts or questions given to it. ChatGPT is widely used in different applications, including chatbots, customer support, content creation, and more. Now, let's get started with ChatGPT in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com and click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Use your email, Google, or Microsoft account to sign up. Step 3. Enter your name and verify your phone number using either SMS or WhatsApp. Once you have completed these steps, you can start exploring the many ways to use ChatGPT. In fact, you can use ChatGPT to make money online in many non-technical ways. Here are a few examples. 1. Social media management. You can use ChatGPT to create social media content, such as Twitter threads and Instagram captions, easily and quickly. Content creation. ChatGPT can help you generate SEO-friendly articles in a matter of minutes, making it easy for you to produce high-quality content for your blog or website. Translation. You can ask ChatGPT to translate articles or content to any language, making it easy for you to reach a global audience. Email marketing. You can also ask ChatGPT to create an email campaign for you, which can save you a lot of time and effort. These are just a few examples of how you can use ChatGPT to make money online. The possibilities are endless, and with a little creativity and effort, you can earn a substantial income by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr. In the next video, we will show you how to combine ChatGPT with other AI tools to maximize your earning potential. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks on how to use ChatGPT to your advantage. Thanks for watching.